So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to use Zelle with Chase. So basically, first you need to access your Chase account, and after that, you need to enter your credentials for you to be able to access it. And once you're already in, you will see this page. So as you can see under the navigation bar, which is located at the bottom, you will see a bunch of options. Just click on the pay and transfer. Once you are on that section, you will see a bunch of options, which is pay bills, send money with Zelle, wire, transfer, request or split with Zelle, and deposit checks. So you just have to click send money with Zelle. So once you click on that, you'll be able to split or pay money or pay bills with Zelle. So you just have to click which on the recipients that you wanted to pay bills with Zelle. So after that, you need to tender your amount, and once you tender your amount, just click on the review and send button. And now they are processing your money. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.